Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome for those of you that are new here. My name is Ashley, and in today's video, we are doing the 2025 Clean and Decorate for Fall on my channel. I am so glad to have you here. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, hello. It's been a couple weeks. I think it's been about 2 weeks since I've uploaded a video, but I am so happy to be back today. So leave a comment down below. Have you decorated for fall? Yes or no? When do you typically like to decorate for a fall? Because we are already decorated in my household. So if you're looking to just get cozy on your couch, the blankie and a coffee, grab your favorite drink, let's hang out. If you have things that you need to do and fall decor that you want to get up and you're just trying to get into that mood and spirit, let's get it done together. So right now I am just taking everything out of my fall bins. I have 2 bins like this, and I just wanted to see everything that I have. Believe it or not, I just can't actually remember, and I was definitely pleasantly surprised to see everything that I still have. You guys will see a little bit more shortly. I will do like a little overview, but it's always a great idea to just go through your bins. And right now I am just wiping down my bins. You guys are going to see how gross these are. I'm almost positive that last year I just kind of shoved everything in here and was just done with fall. So if you haven't done so already, I would definitely recommend, I mean, once a year would be great, but if you haven't done it in a little bit, just giving your bins a good wipe down, especially for us. We live in Massachusetts, so we have basements. Yeah, look at that. And things just get dirty very quickly. So I'm definitely thankful for storage bins because it keeps everything nice and preserved. Okay, so I have the crackling fire going on right now, and I actually am pleasantly surprised with what we do have for fall decor. So let this just be a learning lesson. I mean, there's some stuff like this pumpkin. I think this was like a Target. Oh, wow. I feel like the camera's not picking up good, but I feel like this was a Target dollar spot find maybe couple years ago when we moved into this house, along with maybe these pumpkins. But I'm happy that I have some little like florals, and I'm just going to kind of go through things, wipe down the surfaces that I'm going to put these things on, and just like play around with it. But anything that I'm not 100% feeling, I don't know, I might just kind of tuck away to have, or like see if my mom or sister wants it. Like, I know that my mom, I think, gave me this one year, but I don't think I'm gonna do the table run this year just because we eat here a lot. We'll see. I'm gonna pick and choose what I want, but so far I'm not disappointed. I love all of the bright colors, and it just feels very autumnal in our house right now, and I'm very excited. So yeah, let's get started with our decorating. I wanted to include these clips in here because you can clear as day see me just playing around, putting things on the mantle. I ended up changing things with the final product. I feel like I moved some things around into the bathroom, and you will kind of see what it looks like at the very end. But I don't know. I think this is just totally normal, and I'm very happy with how everything came out. I feel like I had more than enough to decorate this with this year. Sorry, I can never speak. But Also, having a little toddler, I feel like I was just really focusing on like what would be practical. I also moved, you'll see in the bathroom, some little pumpkins because my daughter is always in there like washing her hands, obviously, like whenever she needs to wash her hands. But I wanted it to be cute and fun for her at her level. And I feel like I used to feel so much pressure with the internet and people online with decorating, but I really have just come to find, sorry, like my area of like where I feel comfortable with decorations. And usually like I'll pick up a thing here or there, or every couple of years if I feel like I need a big uphaul of my decor, that's fine too. But I feel like you don't need to go out and spend a ton of money. If you want to, great. If you don't want to, that's fine too. I'm also trying to focus on, and I felt like this last year with Christmas especially, just making memories. And there's so much more we can do besides just decorating our home. So never feel like you have to have a whole bunch of decor. I mean, these pumpkins, I feel like a ton of them I got at the Target dollar spot, or this cute little mat I picked up for half off. It was $10 at Michael's this year. So just some little reminders for you heading into the holiday season. Also, I just wanted to say, I know that I talk about these couch covers fairly frequently, but I'm almost positive that I definitely did. I washed all of these before the Cape, and it hasn't even been a full week, and we were gone for the weekend, and there's already some smushed blueberries. So I definitely would recommend any kind of couch covers, but these are Nolan interior, and I just did a quick little spruce and vacuum, and those blueberry stains are just gonna stay there. So if you're a mom and you're constantly cleaning and doing things, just know I see you, and we're in the season together and we're gonna embrace it. Okay, I need to know, comment down below, would you prefer to get a pumpkin spice latte from Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks? I actually just need to know your answer to this question because we went to Cape Cod for Labor Day weekend and I had my first pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks. Yes, we don't have any really close to us. You have to kind of drive at least 20 to 30 minutes, but I had my first Starbucks pumpkin spice latte, and for some reason I thought it was going to be terrible. It wasn't horrible, but I honestly prefer Dunk's signature pumpkin spice latte. So comment down below which you prefer, and or if you like to make yours at home, because I also have been itching to get out to Target, which is also a bit of a drive. I really wish we had one closer because I have seen that Target carries, I think it's called A Favorite Day is their brand. Like I said, we don't have one close, so I don't know too much about Target. I wish I knew a lot more, but I saw that they have like a pumpkin spice one, a cold foam, sorry, a white chocolate, and a bunch of different flavors. So let me know which you prefer. I'm also curious, do you guys like to decorate your entire house for the holidays? Like, I'm just talking like fall, I guess any holiday really. It doesn't have to be just fall and Christmas, like Easter. Do you guys like to decorate your main living spaces, like just your living room and kitchen, or do you like to decorate your entire house? Because I feel like years ago, I used to wish I could be one of those moms that did like, I don't even know. Maybe I should try to aim for that. Like cute little like flannel sheets for the winter for my daughter with like little nutcrackers and decorate her room like all pink nutcracker. I would love to do that one day. Or even like change her bath mats and stuff. But we're just not there yet. I know I used to follow some moms on YouTube years ago where they would like change out the shower curtains and the bath mats and do all of that. Let me know if you guys do that in your home. I just haven't done it, but I guess that'd be something fun to do in the future. I did show my daughter the decorations this year and she was curious about the pumpkin garland, and that's kind of about it. So that's why I'm really looking forward to just creating more like fall memories together because she is like 3.5. So I don't know, but I always wonder if like the little decor, little trinkets, like she'll grow up and remember one day. So I definitely still want to put those out, but I think I'm very happy with like where things landed this year. And like I said, just sticking, if whether you're on a budget or not on a budget and you just like don't want to go get new decor, like there's always so much that you can do for the season. So if you feel like you don't have everything that you want, or maybe one year you want to get more things. Like, I feel like maybe saving up or picking up a thing here or there could always be very helpful. And then that way you're still adding something to your collection. And yeah, I guess those are kind of my thoughts around home decor and stuff like that. But you guys will kind of see the finished product. And I'm just happy with the less is more this year because there's already a lot I feel to like maintain. And I think it's fun to have some decorations out for memories, pop of color, and to really get into that holiday season and spirit. But kind of like I said a couple times in this video, like I'm really just looking forward to, there's like a new cinnamon roll recipe by Half Baked Harvest that I'm really excited to make with my daughter, and making all of the banana bread, pumpkin bread, baking, apple picking, pumpkin picking, the list goes on and on. So I'm really looking forward to just enjoying this season because it seems like these years, weeks, and days truly are fleeting when you have little children. I wanted to thank you so much for being here today and clicking on my video and spending a little bit of time with me this fall. It really means a lot to me. If you haven't done so already, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and let me know what you'd like to see this upcoming fall season. I do a lot of homemaking and cleaning videos. Anything that I feel like a typical homebody or somebody that likes to be at home and likes to clean would like to do is what you'll find on my channel. So I really hope that you consider sticking around if you are new here. And if you're returning, thank you again for being here. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.